Skater. So today I want to show you how to heat mold your BONT skates the cheapest and slippery ways without using an oven or a microven or those other means. This is the cheapest way, by the way, you guys, I can tell you. So what you only need, you need your top BONT skates body and polyethylene sheets, and maybe mostly we use an electric heat as shown. So you need an electric source of power and a basin full of water, just as shown. Guys, I want to tell you this is the cheapest way, and we like it is the simplest way you can do it. So first you take your BONT skate body, you insert it in that polyethylene sheet as shown. So you make sure you wrap it in this manner so that hot water will not get into it. Okay, after wrapping your skate in a polyethylene sheet, as illustrated, now what you'll do, you'll have to dip the skates, the whole skates, in the wrapped polyethylene sheet inside your water basin. Now, the skates might appear to resist to sink deep in the water. What we need now, I will use a sufuria. This sufuria will help me to add more weight on skate so that it sinks deep in the basin. And of course, it's still floating. What will I do? This is what I will do. I will add an extra weight. For example, you can use even an extra skate to make your skate to sink inside that water in the basin, because the skates have to be inside that basin. So you guys, you can see the way I've set my skates ready for heat molding. These skates, the skate on top, this one, it is used to add an extra weight on top of a sufuria, on top of this sufuria, which adds more weight to make the skate to sink deep inside that water in the basin, to allow the skate to be immersed inside deep in the water. Now I will use my an electric heater, which will produce the heat which will boil the water and facilitate the molding process. Okay, so guys, you can see the way I've set my process ready for heat molding process. There is a skate which provides an extra weight to enhance the skate to be immersed inside the water in the basin, together with the sphere, which plays a big role here, which forces the skate to sink deep inside the water basin. Now already I've placed my water heater in the water. Now the next step is to put on the electric supply and to wait for the water to boil together with your skates inside there, the heat molding process beginning. Let's go. Okay, so guys, our heat molding process is about to begin. Therefore, I switch on the power supply, which will produce that power and heat to facilitate that heat molding process inside that the skates inside the boiling water. Now, so I'm going to heat it for around 15 to 20 minutes. That will be about 100 degrees Celsius to a maximum of 200 degrees Celsius amount of heat energy needed in this process. It's almost the same amount of heat energy which is needed in the microwave method. Remember, you guys, we are using the water heater and the water process. Our 20 minutes have just reached, and the water have boiled up to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. So I'll have to remove my skates inside that hot water, and therefore I began doing the molding process. Okay guys, this is the final stage of heat molding process, that you have to sit in your skating position or you stand in a base. For example, this is my skating position, so you wear your skates when it's very hot and you try to fix those places that usually pains you while you're skating. The boot somehow appears to be very hot, but you need to wear your socks. Wear a socks at least to relieve you from that burning sensation of the boot, just as shown. So you fix, try every part, and you make